Hey everyone, parenting can be challenging, so let's try to make it the best thing ever. Today is Obi's birthday and he loves airplanes, and so we thought we would try out this place that I've heard of, which is a viewing area for airplanes down at the Minneapolis airport. We just got here, so I will let you know how it goes.
Bye.
Hi Grandma, hi Ellie. For about 10-15 minutes, and I've really only seen one airplane. Not sure if we're here at the wrong time, just maybe like a non-busy time, but yeah, we'll keep you posted. We were a little disappointed at the frequency of the airplanes at the last spot. So we decided to come to the cell phone waiting lot, and there are a lot more airplanes to see here. The viewing area is definitely not as nice. We are choosing to just stay in the car because there isn't really a grassy area with benches or anything like that here, but we're definitely seeing more airplanes. There goes another one. I will make sure to post a link to both of these locations below. Ellie, that's it for now.
Make some memories. That's a big one.
Oh, that's so loud. You see another one, Obi?
Thanks for this idea, Mommy.
You're welcome.